Y'all know it's about that weather, right? Shit's about to start getting real. I'm out here with my best friends. You know, we in here. Oh yeah, you know how we doing it. Out here with the homie, chilling. Phyllis. Leopard Throne, you know, he's chilling, you know, over here. Enjoying this big ass fire that's ridiculously big for no goddamn reason. Sir, please explain to me why this fire is so big. Why is this fire so grande?
Yeah, today it's cold. It's fire for.
It's cold. I'm out here in a mustard shirt.
Yeah.
The fire's way over there. He's way over here. Alright, as you can see, fuel pump is out. Remember, gotta take the leveler out, which is the 4 bolts up here, 8mm bolts. Remember to take those out. The seal was coming off of it, as you can see right here. It was coming off. Also, it didn't come with a filter. I guess it might be in the pan. But here we go. You know, here's the Most Plus fuel pump. All the hardware. I'm glad they actually sent me the small ones, because I sometimes don't have the stuff to cut it, and I don't want to use a lighter to burn it. So yeah. Slave. Here's one of the filters they give you. I had another filter, which is not going to be this one, because my pan sits like flat and this sits at an angle, so that's not the one. But yeah, let's get all this taken care of and see how she looks after this. Okay, and this is how she looks now. So I got the sleeve, filter, new plug, everything wired in, new hose, clips. Yeah. Alrighty. Guys, I'm bouncing all around on the car right now. I'm low-key going to play around with the motor until I get the other one in. But till that, since I am converting the radiator and everything to the back, I decided to go ahead and just take a look at all the components and stuff here. So taking the distributor cap off right here, doing so, I'm looking at the cover that's inside, and I see a crack right here. So I'm sure even with the blurriness, y'all can kind of see the crack there. But yeah, there's a crack. Not sure if electricity is getting through it, but I'm gonna take it off, which you can see as I was already unloosening the bolts here. Yeah, we're gonna take it off, and then we're gonna go ahead and fix this little plastic piece. I could go to the junkyard and go get one, but that's not the case at the moment, and I feel like a little, silicone, covered, on the surface of it shouldn't hurt it. So we're gonna try that out and see what happens. Alright, with the piece off, now you can see what we're working with. This tip actually, like, it's pretty foul down, not gonna lie. It was pretty bad. Just rubbed a little bit of that black crud off of it, and that's what we got now, this little shiny part surface. Okay, with that piece off, we can take this plastic part off that I was just talking about. Looking at it, like I said, you can see it. There's a crack there, and it does go through. Let me see. Where's this crack? I just seen it. There you go. You can see It does go through, so maybe electricity is getting inside and, you know, maybe sparking the motor, causing it to have a miss that doesn't make sense. So yeah, be careful and wary of that. So like I said, I'm gonna rub a light coat of silicone inside this right here and outside of it, just to give it that, you know, resistance, you know, a little bit more, and that way some of the silicone can also get inside the crack. I could also, you know what, I can also just get a knife and a lighter and just kind of what fun would that be? I wanted to get my hands even more dirtier with silicone. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're going to melt it, and then we're going to silicone it. Oh yeah. So that goes. All right. I got grapes for sale. Just let me know. 2 cents a grape. I mean, I take car parts, extension cords, more cutting blades. I mean, just let me know. These are freshly picked, great, green, pretty big grapes. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, pretty big get. All right, let's go. Jeez, I have no space to really work. Yeah, got a spot. All right, so there we go. We just pretty much plastic weld it back together with the flathead and the torch. Now we're about to go ahead and put the silicone on it. Final seal. So let's do that. All right, there's the first coat, which that's all I'm gonna put on there. Let it dry, and then we're gonna be installing it back on there. All right, so it's dry. Let's go. Okay, got this. Let's see. All right, that's back in, tightened. I'm just gonna let that chill. All right, as far as this, I know the cap for sure needs to be changed. I think somebody changed and didn't change that. Not sure, but it do look a lot like stock. So guess what we're gonna end up doing? Huh? We're gonna end up swapping all this, putting some new stuff in. So yeah.
Ooh, girl.